Hello guys, welcome to Codera. And guys, here we have some update from the TCS regarding TCS Ninja profile. And today we will see the registration process, eligibility criteria and the test date for the TCS Ninja hiring for the batch 2022. So this is the TCS portal where you can register yourself for the drive. I will provide the link in the description. So here is the last date for the registration, which is 15th of August 2021. So guys, please register before the last date. And the test will be conducted on 30th of August 2021, and according to your test result, you will get the interview date. And here is all the detail about the hiring and the application process. So TCS is hiring for the students who are going to pass out in the year 2022. And they should be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA or MSc. And guys, if you are not from this batch or from these fields, so you are not eligible for the drive. And when you scroll down, here is the application process having 4 steps. So first you need to log on to the TCS Next Step portal, and then you need to apply for the TCS Ninja hiring. Here we have 2 different scenarios. So the first one is when you are already registered to the TCS Next Step portal. If yes, then after login to the portal, you need to fill one application form. After the successful submission of the form, you will see a button to apply for the drive. Then you just need to click the button. And the next scenario is when you are not registered at TCS Next Step portal. So if you are new user, then just click register now and select category as IT. After filling the application form, click on the apply for drive button. And in the third step, you need to select the mode of the test, which can be offline, that is at the center, or you can select the online, which is remotely, and then click on apply. And in the last step, if you have to check that you successfully applied for the drive or not, so just navigate to track your application tab. If you see the status as applied for the drive, then congratulations, you are successfully applied for the TCS Ninja hiring. And guys, here we have some important notes. You can check it at the website. But the third point is very important, that test mode once selected at the time of apply for drive cannot be changed later. So please select the test mode carefully, as you cannot change once you applied for the drive. And before applying, please once go through these important notes. So here is the most important thing, which is the eligibility criteria. First one is percentage. So you must have minimum 60% or 6 CGPA in the class 10th, 12th, diploma if any, graduate or postgraduate examinations. And the second is blockage. So applicant should not have more than one active blockage at the time when you are applying for the TCS. And if you have a blockage, then it should be cleared at the time of joining. Third is gap. If you are applying, then it is mandatory for you to declare your gap in education, and it should not be greater than 24 months or 2 years. And this gap will be permissible if you have any valid reason for the gap in education. And the fourth one is course type. So it should be full time. And the student have some prior experience up to 2 years are also eligible to apply for this drive. And also the age of the applicant should be between 18 to 28. And the last one is a student from these courses are only eligible for the drive. And here we have the test pattern consisting of 2 parts. In the part A, they are looking for the skills like numerical ability, verbal ability and the reasoning ability, which have total time 120 minutes. That means 2 hours. 40 minutes for numerical ability, 30 minutes for verbal ability and 50 minutes for the reasoning ability. And the part B is programming, which is total of 60 minutes or 1 hour, where you have to solve the programming logics in 15 minutes and hands-on coding in 45 minutes. So the total timing for the complete test is 180 minutes, that means 3 hours. So guys, all the very best for your exams and preparation. If you have any doubts, so you can go through the FAQ section here, And still, if you don't get the answer, you can ask me in the comment box. And if you want the previous year question, so just drop a comment. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.